Alrighty, welcome back everybody. You're gonna get to watch me freeze my butt off again. So here we go. I think this is number 7, right? And again, I'm gonna try and stay in a little bit longer. Probably not gonna happen. When you're in there, like, all you want to do is get out. So we'll see how it goes. Let's give it a shot. So today has been pretty nice as far as the weather. Like, I'm very comfortable out here in my bathing suit, but it was really cold overnight, so the water is probably gonna feel extra cold. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, it feels cool. Oh, I don't want to jump in. Oh God! All right, let's do it. Oh, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. Oh, and then the feet start hurting. It's like getting kicked in the shins. Oh, oh, and the feet start hurting. Oh, the feet hurt. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, like the feet really hurt. Oh, the feet really hurt. Oh, I've been in here for a while, and it feels like forever. Oh, I'm gonna inch over. Oh, the feet hurt. The feet hurt so much. Oh, my feet. Oh, legs hurt. Oh, and slowly it hurts a lot less. Oh, and I feel okay. It's such a weird feeling. Like, you really feel like the pain kind of drain away almost.